Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. So now let us begin with our semester 2 unit 7, the Toon Toon Town musicians. So it's a nice story of different animals. Okay, in the first picture itself you can see there are 4 different animals. Can you identify them? And there is an activity followed. Activity 1A says which animals can you see in this picture? They are very simple. You just have to name them. I am sure you have identified them, right? Then B says, do you know any story about these animals? And then come forward and narrate it. That is not possible. Do you know how animals are useful to us? Speak about their usefulness. And come forward and make an animal sound. Ask the class to guess which animal it is. So any of these activities is not possible, right? So answer the first question in the given place. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 60. Activity 2, listen to the part 1 of the story as your teacher reads it. So it's a story that I'm going to narrate it to you and you're going to listen it very carefully. Now part 1 says, once there was a farmer who had a very old donkey. So the donkey was very old, and usually the farmer would take some work from the donkey. Yes, the donkey is going to help the farmer in doing some kind of work. The donkey had worked very hard for the farmer for many years. The donkey had been working very hard for the farmer for many years. Now when he has become old, the farmer said, you are no longer useful to me. Get out from here. Poor old donkey was very sad. He left the farmer and went towards the city, because now there was no place for him to stay, right? The farmer has already asked him to go out. So he walked along and he sang. So the donkey was very upset and was singing, I am very old, you see. No one cares at all for me. I have no home or house to go. What will I do? I do not know. So now he's actually very helpless. He doesn't know where to go, what to do. As he walked along, an idea came to his head. So he got an idea. I know what I can do. I can go to the Toon Toon town and become a musician. So he walked along. So he's got an idea to go to the Toon Toon town and become a musician. A little later, after some time, what happens? He saw an old dog asleep on the side of the road. What's wrong, my friend? Asked the donkey. The donkey asked the dog who was sleeping on the roadside. My master has thrown me out as I am old and slightly deaf, said the dog sadly. So now the dog has a similar kind of a story. He also has been thrown out by his master because he has become old and he's also become deaf. So, and he sang, I am very old, you see, no one cares at all for me. I have no home or house to go. What will I do? I do not know. Why don't you come with me? Said the donkey. So now the donkey has got a friend, that is the dog. The dog liked the idea of going to the Toon Toon town and becoming a musician. Now they walk together. So now the donkey has a companion, that is a dog, and they both were approaching to the Toon Toon town to become the musician. Now activity 3 says, do you know animal sounds? Work in the parent, draw a line to match each animal with the sound it makes. So on the next page it's given, like the animals are given and the sounds are given. You're going to match the sounds with the animals. It is very easy. You have been learning this, the animal and the animal sounds, from standard 1. So it is going to be very easy for you to solve. Okay, and the animals given are also very simple. Then coming to activity 4. Activity 4 has part 2. On the way they saw an old tabby cat. She was thin and had stripes on her fur. What are you doing here? Asked the donkey and the old dog. I am too old to chase the mice, and my master has thrown me out of the house, said the tabby cat sadly. And she also has a similar kind of a story. She has become old and her master has thrown her out, and so she sings the same song. Then coming to the next page. Next page says, page number 62. Why don't you come with us to the Toon Toon town to become a musician? Said the donkey. Now the donkey is offering the same thing to the cat. Thank you, said the cat, and joined them. So now they are 3, donkey, dog and cat. So they walked along together. A little later, that is after some time, they saw an old rooster on the road. What are you doing here alone, my friend? Why are you not at the farm? Asked the donkey. My master has thrown me out as I oversleep and I can't wake up in the morning, said the rooster. So now the rooster has a job to wake up everybody by his sound, that is, it is good morning, but he's unable to do that work, so his master has thrown him out. Okay, so again the rooster sings the same song, that he is very sad, is because he's very old, no one cares for him, and he has no house or no home, and he doesn't know what to do. Come and sing with us. We are going to the Tun Tun town to become musicians, said the donkey. Again, the donkey offers the same thing to the rooster. I would love to, said the rooster. And so off they went together. Now, all of them went together to the Tun Tun town to become the musician, right? Soon it became dark. They entered a forest and suddenly saw a house. So now they entered a forest and it was dark. They went near and peeped inside. They went near the house and peeped inside, like to look into something secretly. Okay. So they saw 4 robbers sitting by the fire and eating nice hot food. There were 4 robbers, yes, who were sitting near the house and having nice hot food. Let's think of a plan, said the donkey. Now the donkey is again thinking of some plan. So together they thought of a plan. Then they got into the position and the donkey counted 1, 2, 3, now. They all sang as loud as they could. The donkey brayed, the dog barked, the cat moved, and the rooster crowed. Then they rushed into the house. Crash! Boom! One robber saw the cat's eyes and yelled, "Run! There are 2 balls of fire." The robbers were actually frightened with the mischief that these 4 animals were doing. Okay, so now the dog bit a robber and he yelled, "Run! There is someone with a knife." So the dog's teeth were like the knife for the robber. The donkey kicked a robber and he yelled, "Run! There is a ghost who has thrown me over." And the rooster croaked, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." And the 4th robber said, "Run, run, run. Someone is saying, I will show you what I shall do." And so, saying, all the 4 robbers ran shouting out of the house. So now the house is vacant for all these 4 animals, right? So the cat decided to sleep by the fire. "I shall sleep under the table," said the dog. "I shall sleep in the barn," said the donkey. And said, "I shall sleep on the roof," said the rooster. And so they all remained in this house and often sang together. They went later to the Tun Tun town and even gave concerts. What is a concert? Concert is a musical program. Okay, so this way they lived happily ever after. So then it's followed by activity 5, which has 4 questions. Why did the master throw their animals out? Because the masters knew that the animals were of no use. Do you think that the master did the right thing? No, not at all. If you keep a pet or a domestic animal, you are not supposed to throw it out when it is of no use. In fact, you are supposed to take care, right? So they did a very wrong thing. Where did the animals want to go and why? So they wanted to go to the Tun Tun town to become the musicians. And the last question says, how did the animals scare the robbers? By playing the mischief with the donkey's trick, right? So I'll give you the answers to all of this. Then the next page says, now coming to page number 64, activity 6 says, read the story again and find out how many times the following words occur. So now we are going to read the story again and find out how many times these 4 words occur. Old, together, thrown and master. Then the next activity 7 says work in pair, but this you are going to do it individually. Read the story and complete the following sentences. So all the sentences are there in the story. You are going to complete this sentences. Activity 8 says draw your favorite animal and color it. Coming to the next page, now write a few sentences about the favorite animal that you have drawn. Okay, and then activity 9 has write a few sentences your favorite elderly person and how they treat you. So you're going to write a few lines about any elderly person, maybe your family member, maybe your neighborhood. You're going to write how they treat you too. Okay. Activity 10 on page number 66 says, what do you call a group of different animals? For example, a group of lion is called a pride. Now find out appropriate words for the group of various animals like the bees, sheep, cows and geese. So this you already know, we have done it in EVS, right? So just recall it and try to answer this. So as of now we are done with the lesson, and read it again, and the activities that you are supposed to do on your own, please complete them in time. Thank you children. Happy learning.